Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DWT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and volume definitely kicked in a high gear again. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Although really nothing new to really report since the last time I did the video, which is where these red and green lines are coming from. The first level that just really kind of goes to show the power of charts. I promise I have not moved that red line. If you don't believe me, I'm not offended. You can just go back in the video archives and watch that video when I did it. But I drew that red line right here, and like I said, surprise, surprise, the power of charts. That's exactly where the price was rejected from today. So going into Thursday, the near-term level right now going to be right there at $10.13. But you got to give credit where credit's due. A whole lot of momentum right now, so it's probably would be wise to map out another area of resistance because I think it's very possible the price could break up through there tomorrow. Nothing's guaranteed, but in the event the price can push through the 1013 mark, the next key overall level would be right up around 1027. So again, from the resistance side of things, near term wise 1013, and then after that up around 1027. As far as supports are concerned, the ideal level of support, when you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above this green line that I've talked about before, right around 935, and you can see a couple of good instances right there. With that being said, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price falls below 935, that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back though and looking at this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 935 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So overall though, nice movement today. Still a couple days left this week, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.